When you're ready, you can pop it. It's so big. You're gonna pop it?
Yeah.
Go ahead. Whoa.
Whoa, it almost went through my shirt.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at it.
Mm-hmm.
What happened to it? Can you put more? Come on, Mom. It's getting bigger. Whoa.
Oh, don't blow on it.
Why? Whoa!
How big can it get?
Whoa.
Is this so big?
Yeah, whoa. It's almost ready to pop. Whoa, look what happened.
Because you're breathing on it, and then the air is moving those very, very gaseous bubbles. It's like air.